Hi, my name's Michelle Lloyd of Lloyds Academy. Let's get started. Hi, welcome to your lesson on negative numbers. So what are negative numbers? Well, if we think of the number line, normally we start at 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and we just carry on forever. We just keep counting. But what happens if we want to go backwards? Well, this is where the negatives come in. And they work opposite to the positives. So next to the 0 is a -1. Just the same as 1 is this side. It's like a mirror. And then I have a -2. And then a -3. And then a -4. And then a -5. And then a -6. And a -7. And they just keep going on. Now the problem is, we all know that as we count up, if we go this way and keep counting, our numbers get bigger. The value of the number is bigger. If we go this way, then the numbers must be getting smaller. But remember, when we talk about bigger and smaller numbers, we are only talking about their value, not the actual number. So even though these numbers are going 2, 3, 4, 5, they seem to be getting bigger, the value is smaller. And so have a go at the questions, fill in the missing numbers. Remember, it always goes 1, 2, 3, so it goes -1, -2, -3. They do exactly the same as positives, they're just going backwards. Have a go at the questions, and I'll see you in the next lesson. Thank you for watching, see you all soon, and don't forget to like and subscribe.